Hey everybody, welcome back. I wanted to give an update on the Karura Crowdloan that I did a video on recently. So I just wanted to show the updates of getting your Karura tokens and seem to check it here with the distribution site that they have set up for us. So here I'm going to show you that this is my Kusama wallet public key, and I'm going to enter it here that I use for the crowd loan. And when I search, it's here. Actually, I was very surprised because I had a little more tokens than I expected, about well over 20. So I did see that I got some transferable tokens now to play with on Karura's network, and these will have all your details here, this is awesome. So next I'm going to show you in the Polkadot.js, you can switch to your Karura wallet address on the Kusama, Kusama wallet here, right here. You see I have a little bit in here, like some point, but the rest are like in the crowd loan for 48 weeks that will vest over that period. So here I'm going to switch this here to the Karura wallet, and I'm going to go to the Karura Polkadot.js here Explorer, and let's see, gonna have a little wait time for this, but shouldn't take too long. But let's see, and there we are. There's the Karura tokens in here, the CAR, KAR, and then there's a transferable amount that we saw earlier. Thank you very much.